When learners are feeling comfortable and motivated at the start of the lesson, this is good, as throughout the lesson, they will continue to feel this way, as it will keep them engaged and enhance their learning.
Hi, I'm Hedvig from Gallery Teachers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an English teacher or considering becoming one, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our weekly TEFL teaching tips.
So, warmers, they can help engage our learners. They can also recycle and review previous topics and language that we have used in previous lessons. They can help to introduce the lesson topic. They can also pre-teach or review things that learners already know. Remember that fillers and brain breaks, they help to change the pace of the lesson, vary the patterns of interaction, and we can reclaim our learners' attention if they're feeling a bit distracted or if they're feeling a bit nervous. We can also start the lesson on a high and end the lesson on a high, and this is really beneficial for learners' motivation and confidence going into the next lessons. So other benefits of them, that they have practice of the 4 skills, which is important because it gives the learners a purpose of why they're here, of why they're learning. They also help to aid memorization. And when students memorize things and they feel that they're learning well, this can help motivate them and keep them engaged, ready for further lessons. They can also create a safe learning environment. So remember, this is important for students who come to our lessons maybe feeling a little bit nervous or a little bit anxious about the lessons. Remember, it's also important for a safe classroom environment for our students so that their affective filter is lowered and so that this can then help increase their language acquisition. When learners are feeling comfortable and motivated at the start of the lesson, this is good, as throughout the lesson, they will continue to feel this way, as it will keep them engaged and enhance their learning. Current studies in neuroscience and also Krashen's theory support this and say that stress can affect our thinking and learning. Therefore, warmers, coolers and fillers, they create a safe learning environment for our learners to feel comfortable and relaxed. And what we really want to do is to help our learners lower the affective filter so that they're getting all the benefits from the target language, all the benefits from the warmers, so that they're learning as much as possible. So what do you think? Do you agree or disagree? What do you do in class? Please leave a comment below.